In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the basics of data cleaning. In statistics and in data science, 80% of your time will be spent on cleaning data. Get this wrong and your results will be often useless. They'll make no sense. So cleaning data is such an important aspect of data science, data analysis. You will spend a lot of time on it. What do we mean by cleaning it? Well, the first step is always to make sure you understand your data set and its documentation. When you download a data set, make sure you read the codebook. What does each variable tell you? What is it asking? How is it measured? If you are creating your own data set, make sure you create a codebook where you record those very things. Once you've done that, you can start the process of cleaning your data. Here we've got an example of a data set. This is a raw data set that hasn't been cleaned. So what do we see that's wrong with this data set? Well, for example, in age, there's somebody who's 4 years old. This is odd for a survey where you would expect everybody to be 16 and older. You've got somebody who's 999 years old. Clearly not right. In the gender column, we have male and female, but you notice there's misspellings. So one's male is capitalized and female is not capitalized at the beginning. That needs to be sorted. In the residence, we have 5 different names for the same place. And in the monthly column, we have weird things like minus 9,999 and 60,000. These are clearly outliers or wrong data. When we clean data, what we want to do is we want to fix those issues. We want to take this data set and then turn it into this. The data set on your right, you can see the issues with the data set have been sorted and are ready for you to do analysis. Now, cleaning data is one of the most important things you can do. Therefore, you will need to learn how to do it well, and the best and most efficient ways of doing that.